Hello, happy birthday, Sir Mark. I wish you good health and more birthdays to celebrate. Hope you enjoy your special day. And God bless, more power. This is Lottie Loves. And this is Ella. She wants to greet you also.
Wish you have a nice day for your birthday, Sir Mark. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ella. And bye. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Ming. Wishing you all success in your planned future business in life. And I'll see you soon. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Nak. Sana I miss you. Sana hatagan ka sa Lord ng mataas ng mahaba ng kinabuhi. I love you. I love you, Nak. Tama.
Hi, Kuan Pam. Pasensya na kayo. Nandito ko ngayon sa hospital. Ingat kayo palagi. And binabati ko ang ating advisor or tanod na si Boss Mark. Boss Mark, happy birthday. Sana huwag ka magbago. Salamat sa pagtitiyaga mo at pag-intindi sa ating grupo. Sa ating one pump. Marami mga nagle-left. Lagi may nagle-left, but still nandyan ka pa rin, hindi nagtitinag. Maraming salamat sa isang Boss Mark na natili sa grupo na matatag at may pusong sa bawat isa at tumutulong. Maraming salamat sa iyo. More power, Boss Mark, more blessing, more birthday to come. Maraming salamat, Boss Mark. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, Sir Mark. Happy birthday. Ayan, thank you so much. How old are you na? Happy birthday, Sir Mark. My long-time friend, yeah. It's almost nearly 4 years now, no? Now we're friends on YouTube, now TikTok, Facebook, lahat ng social media magka-friend tayo. Busy man ako lagi, hindi man ako lagi nakaka-support sa'yo, pero we're always friend. Alam mo yan. I never akong nagto-turn back sa'yo. And na-appreciate ko yung mga effort mo dati sa amin. Hanggat sa na-monetize kami. Thank you so much for that. And happy birthday. Always, sana, alam mo na alam ko na. Okay. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. And, ano pa ba? Haba-habaan ko to kasi parang gusto ko mga asar. Anyway, Sir Mark, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Good luck. And wish for you is to have a good health all the time. Para, alam mo na, para makabalapit ng magbakasyon yung sila dyan. Tapos, syempre magkikita na kayo. Ay, ganun, mga ganun, no? Tapos, sige. Hindi na baka iba pa masabi ko? Sige. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday always. And sana marami pang blessings na darating sa iyo. Peace out.
Sir Mark, happy birthday. I hope you are always in the good health and more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. And keep up the good work. Stay humble. Kay daghan patag kanang plano nga atong pagabuhaton in the future. Once again, happy birthday. Salamat sa time. Magigahin ka na mo. Thank you.
Hello! Gusto ko palang batiin ng happy birthday si Mr. MBO. Hi, Mr. MBO. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan, na huwag magkasakit, and more birthday to come. God bless you.
Hi Mark, happy birthday. My wish for your birthday, hope that you are always healthy, and then sana maging successful ka sa business na na-start mo at sa iyong YouTube channel, and thanks for being part of your friendship. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy your special day now. God bless and good health always. Love, love.
Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Charot! Mega love shout out everyone. Today is another day and I would like to take this opportunity to greet one of my YouTube friends, none other than Mr. MB Official, ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Bossing MB. Ayan, wishing you all the best, having a good health. At sana mas lalo pang mag-grow ang iyong channel. More views to come, bananas, WH, and especially more revenues to come po. Ayan, sana mas lalo pang dumami ang inyong friends sa YouTube, not only in YouTube, pati na rin po sa TikTok at FB. Sana mas lalo pang dumami ang inyong mga followers. Ayan. At maraming salamat din po dahil nakilala ko kayo, dahil napakabuti niyo pong tao. Charot! At maraming salamat din po dahil naging part po ako sa MB group. Ayan, at sana mas lalo pa tayong dumami sa grupo. Yun lamang po. Wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa kundi ang inyong kalusugan at mas lalo pang maging successful kayo in life. Ayan po. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you more po. Bye-bye.
Sige.
Happy birthday, Kuya Anthony.
Love, love.
Love, love.
Two of you. Ayun po, in behalf of One Farm family, yan, I'm Miss Jean alias Queen, declaring happy birthday and blessed birthday to you. I love you. We love you so much, Sir Mark. God bless. Bye-bye.
Tito, happy birthday. God bless si Muha. O kunta dagan pang grasya nga mabot si Muha. O keep safe always. Balik dripon sa Davao. Happy birthday usab. Salamat sa imong pagkamaayong tao.
Go, happy birthday. Best wishes and more good health every day. Thanks for the support for our channel, Isan Ela and Flori DM. Good luck and God bless. Take care always of yourself. Big love shout out to all YouTube fans sa Yugao. God bless. Love you.
Hello, binabati ko nga pala si MBO. Mr. MBO, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, bigyan ka ni God ng magandang kalusugan at saka more birthdays to come, and God bless you. Yun lang.